Hey y'all, welcome back to Restless Chipotle Kitchen. Now I've been gone for about the whole month of June because of some back problems, but I'm back and today we're going to make a delicious casserole that's so easy and the whole family's going to love it. You're going to need 2 cups of cooked diced chicken breast, or you could use cooked diced chicken thighs, either one's fine. A 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, a 1.5 cups of shredded pepper jack or Monterey Jack cheese, just depending on how spicy you like things. A 1.5 cups is about 6 ounces. 8 ounces is 2 cups. So if you like it cheesier, just do the whole 8 ounces. We need 8 ounces of sour cream, a can of cream of chicken soup, a 4 ounce, is that 4 ounce? Yep, a 4 ounce can of diced green chilies drained, a packet of ranch seasoning, which is 1 ounce, 2 5-ounce cans of biscuits. There's 5 biscuits in each can, and you're gonna need 10 biscuits. So just grab the 2 of them. You can make this in a 13 by 9 inch pan. I'm gonna make it in my cast iron skillet. I just like it that way. I think it's easy to take to the table. I like to serve it that way. But a big cast iron skillet, I think this one is 12 inches, or a 13 by 9 inch pan. You're going to take your sour cream and put it in the big bowl, because we're going to mix pretty much everything in here. And the cream of chicken soup goes in next. I think that splashed over on the floor over there. I guess I'll be mopping the floor, huh? And the ranch dressing mix goes in on the top. Take your whisk that all up together. Make sure it's all mixed really, really well. You're going to take half the cheese, or 1 cup of the cheese, and put it in there and estimate. I mean, if I need a little bit more, I need a little bit more, but that's about half. And your chilies, and put those in there. The hardest thing about this is just dumping everything in, honestly. Your chicken, and we're not going to need this whisk anymore. And we're just going to mix this up. Make sure that it's mixed up really well, that all of the chicken is covered with the sauce and the cheese, and the chilies are mixed in there well. The recipe calls for the cilantro to go on top at the end, but I like to cut a little extra cilantro and put it right in there because I like the flavor. Up to you. But I'm going to mix that in, and I'm going to set that aside. I don't know why, but I've always had trouble getting biscuits open. I guess because I just really don't use canned biscuits that much. You can use homemade biscuits for this too, but one of the nice things about this recipe is it's super quick and easy, so canned kind of makes it nice. You're going to cut each biscuit into 4 pieces. Just cut like that. I'm just going to make sure to spray the skillet with no stick spray. If you're using a 13 by 9 inch pan, you want to be sure to spray that too. And then I'm going to put the biscuits, they're all cut, I'm going to put them in this chicken mixture and just very gently fold them in so that they're all covered by sauce too. You don't want to mash them, just put them in there gently. Put some in and then stir it up, and then put some more in and stir that up. It's the easiest way to do it without mushing them down. Once we have that done, I'm just going to take my skillet and put the whole batch right in there and smooth it out. Remember, there's biscuit dough in here, and you don't want it to be thicker on one side than the other. You want all of the biscuit dough to get a chance to bake evenly. Now we're just going to top it with the rest of the cheese, and then I'm going to slide it right into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll see you back here then. Whew. Okay, y'all, look at that. It's golden brown on top, it's cheesy, it smells so good. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this cilantro on top, and you could sprinkle some more cheese on top if you wanted to. And then I'm just going to cut into it and get out a serving of this. And it is so creamy and so cheesy. The biscuits have all baked and they're golden. Everything is creamy and cheesy. It's inexpensive, it's easy, it takes almost no time at all. And you just can't beat that. So y'all, if you want a delicious dinner, it's easy to make, goes together fast, definitely this needs to be at the top of your list. So good. You can save even more time if you use a rotisserie chicken. It's a great way to use leftover chicken. Or if you buy a big bag of the chicken breast at Costco and dump it all in your slow cooker, cook it overnight, and then break up that cooked chicken to go into your casseroles for the next week, next week or next month or whatever. Brilliant. So quick and easy to do it that way. All right. I'm gonna eat this and I will talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye-bye.